Welcome to the first part of our journey together. If you are a founder or a leader in the world of technology, you have probably been feeling a bit of a shakeup lately. You look at your screen and see tools that can write 100 lines of code in the time it takes you to blink. It feels like magic. But today, I want to pull back the curtain on that magic. We are moving away from a world where we ask if machines will replace people. Instead, we are entering a world where the best software is built by a team. On one side, we have our fast AI assistants. On the other side, we have our brilliant human software engineers. This series is your guide to leading that team. Think back to the very first time you tried to build something. Maybe it was a small toy or a simple project. You had a vision in your head. You knew exactly why you wanted it to exist. But getting your hands to do exactly what your brain wanted took time. Exactly where we are with software today. AI is like a set of super fast hands. It can build the walls of a digital house in seconds, but it doesn't know why the house is being built. It doesn't know who is going to live there or if the ground underneath is solid. That is where tech leadership comes in. As a CEO or a founder, you aren't just looking for speed. You are looking for a foundation that won't crack when your business starts to grow. In this first lesson, we have to understand the roles. AI assistants are excellent at patterns. They have read almost every line of code ever written. If you ask for a standard login page, they can give it to you before you finish your coffee. But here's the catch. AI doesn't understand context. It doesn't know that your specific login page needs to connect to a legacy database in a factory in Germany while keeping data safe for a user in New York. Human software engineers are the ones who hold the context. They are the architects who look at the big map and say, wait, if we build it this way, it will break in 6 months. They are the ones who understand the why. As a leader, your job is to stop thinking of AI as a replacement for your team and start thinking of it as a power tool for your team. Imagine a carpenter with a high-speed saw. The saw doesn't make the carpenter obsolete. It makes the carpenter faster. It allows them to focus on the design and the quality of the wood rather than the sweat of the cut. This is the coding future we are building. We are freeing our engineers from the drudge work. We are letting them be the thinkers they were always meant to be. But this shift requires a new kind of planning. You can't just throw AI at a problem and hope for the best. You need to know what to implement and when to step back. If you lean too hard on the machine, you end up with a product that has no soul and no structure. If you ignore the machine, you get left behind by competitors who are moving 10 times faster than you. The sweet spot is in the middle. It is about human software engineers using smart tools to do things that were impossible just a year ago. So, as we start this series, I want you to clear your head of the man versus machine stories you see in the news. This is a story of collaboration. It is a story of how we use our human hearts and our artificial brains together. Over the next 9 videos, we are going to look at the logic gaps, the security shields, and the creative sparks that make this team-up work. We are going to show you how to scale your company without losing your mind. I am glad you are here with me. We are going to learn how to build software that lasts. We are going to learn how to be better leaders in a world that is moving faster than ever. By the end of this series, you won't just be a witness to the AI revolution. You will be the one directing it. Before we move on to our next episode, where we talk about the speed trap, I want to make sure you stay with us. This is a fast-moving world, and you don't want to miss the next step. If you found this helpful, please like this video and follow our channel to stay updated on the coding future. For a deeper look at your specific tech needs, visit our website at www.consultwithkrishna.com and let's start a conversation about your growth.